Good morning, my little star. You woke up very early today.
Good morning, Papa. I tried to sleep more, but my eyes kept opening again and again.
Did something wake you up?
Yes, my dream did.
You had a bad dream?
Yes, Papa, a very scary dream.
It's okay. You are safe now. You are here with me.
In my dream, I was alone.
Alone where, my little one?
In a big, dark place. There were no lights, no people, no sound.
I am here now.
In the dream, I was trying to find you. I was walking and walking, but I could not see you anywhere.
That must have been very scary.
Yes, I called your name, but my voice was not coming out.
You wanted help, but no one could hear you.
Yes, and my heart was beating very fast.
Bad dreams feel very real sometimes.
When I woke up, my pillow was wet.
You were crying.
Yes, Papa, I was very scared.
You did the right thing coming to me.
I feel safer now.
You are never alone. Not in dreams, not in life.
Thank you, Papa.
Do you want to tell me everything? I am listening.
Yes, I want to tell you.
Take your time. There is no hurry.
In my dream, I was standing on a long road.
A long road?
Yes, the road had no end, no houses, no trees, only darkness.
That sounds very lonely.
I felt very small, like I was the only person in the world.
That feeling can make the heart very heavy.
I tried to walk faster, but my legs felt slow.
Like they were tired?
Yes, and heavy.
Your body could not move the way you wanted.
I wanted to run, but my feet would not listen to me.
That must have made you feel stuck.
Yes, I felt stuck and scared and tired.
Dreams can mix many feelings together.
Then I saw something,
What did you see?
a shadow, moving in front of me.
A shadow?
Yes, I could not see its face, only its shape.
That would scare anyone.
I wanted to close my eyes, but I could not.
Your mind was trapped inside the dream.
Then suddenly, I saw a small light far away.
A light?
Yes, very small, but warm.
And what did you do?
I walked toward it.
Slowly?
Yes, very slowly.
Like you are walking now in life, one step at a time.
Maybe.
And then?
Then I heard your voice.
My voice?
Yes, calling my name.
What did my voice say?
It said, "Don't be afraid."
That sounds like me.
Then I woke up.
And you were here.
Yes, in my bed, with my blanket, with my room.
And with your real world.
I like the real world better.
Me too.
Papa, will I have bad dreams again?
Maybe. But you will also have good dreams.
I like good dreams.
And when bad dreams come, you will come to me.
I promise.
And I promise to listen.
Your voice makes my heart calm.
Because love lives in my voice.
I feel warm inside now.
That is peace.
I want to drink my tea slowly.
Good. Slow moments help the heart.
Like this morning.
Exactly like this morning.
You look a little calmer now.
Yes, Papa. My heart is not beating so fast anymore.
That is good. Your body is starting to feel safe again.
I like feeling safe.
Everyone does.
Papa, why do dreams feel so real?
Because your mind is very strong. It can make stories that feel like real life.
So, my dream was only a story?
Yes, a story made by your sleeping mind.
But it felt so real.
Feelings can feel real, even when the story is not.
So, my fear was real, but the dark road was not.
Exactly.
That makes me feel better.
Fear is like a visitor. It comes and then it leaves.
I don't like when it comes.
No one does. But you are strong enough to face it.
Am I brave?
Very brave.
Even when I feel small?
Especially when you feel small.
I want to be brave like you.
You already are.
Papa, when I was in the dream, I felt like I could not move.
Your body was asleep, but your mind was awake.
That feels strange.
Dreams are strange places.
Do you have bad dreams too?
Sometimes.
What do you dream about?
Sometimes I dream about being lost. Sometimes I dream about falling.
Falling?
Yes, like I am falling from the sky.
That sounds scary.
It is. But when I wake up, I smile.
Why do you smile?
Because I remember I'm safe.
Like me now.
Exactly like you now.
Papa, when I woke up last night, my hands were cold.
Fear can make the body feel cold.
I pulled my blanket very tight.
You were trying to protect yourself.
Yes, I wanted to hide.
That is normal.
But then I remembered you.
And you came to me.
Yes, I walked slowly to your room.
I heard your footsteps.
I was scared to wake you.
I am always happy when you wake me.
That makes me happy.
When you touched my hand, I knew something was wrong.
I could not speak at first.
You were shaking.
Yes, my body was still in the dream.
So I held you.
And I felt warm again.
Love brings warmth.
I like that warmth.
So do I.
Papa, will you always protect me?
As long as I am here.
And when I grow up?
Then you will protect yourself, and I will still stand beside you.
I like standing beside you.
I like walking with you in life.
Papa, do you think my dream means something?
Sometimes dreams show our worries.
What was I worried about?
Maybe being alone.
I don't like being alone.
No one likes it.
I like being with you, with Mama, with my friends.
Those people make your world bright.
My dream was dark.
And your life is full of light.
I like that.
Every night before sleep, think about happy things.
Like what?
Your favorite toys, your favorite stories, your favorite places.
And you.
Yes, and me.
That will help my dreams?
It helps your mind feel safe.
I will try tonight.
Good.
Papa, can I sit with you a little longer?
As long as you want.
I don't want this morning to end.
Some mornings are meant to be slow.
Like today.
Like today.
My tea is almost finished.
Would you like more?
Yes, please.
I will pour it for you.
Thank you, Papa.
You are always welcome, my little star. You look more relaxed now.
Yes, Papa. My heart feels quiet again.
That is good. A quiet heart feels peaceful.
I like this feeling.
You can keep this feeling with you
How?
by remembering that you are safe, by remembering that you are loved.
I do feel loved.
You are very loved.
Papa, when I think about my dream now, it feels smaller.
That is because fear gets smaller when we talk about it.
So talking helps?
Very much.
I was afraid to tell anyone
Why?
because I thought people would laugh.
I would never laugh at your fear.
I know.
Fear is not silly. It is just a feeling.
Like happiness?
Yes, like sadness, like love.
I like love the most.
Me too.
Papa, do you remember when I was small and afraid of the dark?
Yes, you always asked me to leave the light on.
I thought monsters lived in my room.
You checked every corner.
I even checked under my bed.
And what did you find?
Only my toys.
Your toys were protecting you.
Maybe they still do.
I think they do.
Papa, do you think I am stronger now?
Yes, much stronger.
But I still feel scared sometimes.
Strong people still feel scared.
Really?
Yes, bravery is not about having no fear. It is about moving forward even when fear is there.
So I was brave last night?
Very brave.
Because I came to you?
Because you listened to your heart.
I like that.
You should be proud of yourself.
Papa, will I have more bad dreams?
Maybe sometimes, but not every night.
What should I do if I wake up scared again?
Take a deep breath. Hold your pillow and remember this morning.
Remember the tea?
Yes, remember the warmth.
And your smile.
And my smile.
I like your smile.
I like yours too.
Papa, do you think dreams can become good again?
Yes, when your heart feels safe, your dreams feel safe too.
I want happy dreams.
You will have them.
Dreams where I can fly.
Or walk on clouds.
Or ride a rainbow.
Those sound beautiful.
I want dreams with you in them.
Then I will be there.
Psst. You always come when I call.
I always will.
Papa, I feel strong right now.
That is courage.
I feel warm inside.
That is love.
I feel calm.
That is peace.
I like all three.
They live inside you.
Even when I'm sleeping?
Even when you are sleeping.
Then I'm never alone.
Never.
Papa, thank you for listening.
Thank you for trusting me.
Tss, I feel ready for the day now.
The day is ready for you.
Can we walk to school together?
Of course.
I like walking with you.
I like walking with you too.
Psst, let's go slowly.
Slow is good.
One step at a time.
Just like life.
Just like life.